Hi, I'm Mrs. Nicholas, Tats for the South Quad. I'm here to show you how to update your Chromebook. On the shelf at the bottom of the screen, find the date and time. Your shelf might be on the sides of your screen, as you can customize where it is on your Chromebook. Once you have found the date and time, give it a click. A box will pop up, and at the top right corner of that box, click the gear icon to get to your settings. Once settings are open, go to the left side of your screen and scroll to the bottom. Click About Chrome OS. The next page that opens is the update page. You can click the blue button that says Check for Updates, or your Chromebook may initiate them on their own. Once your Chromebook is done updating, you should see a Restart button. In order for the updates to take effect, you must wait until they are done and click that blue restart button once it appears. Again, if you do not click the restart button, your updates will not be complete. Thanks for watching.